In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar. This integration will enhance your ability to manage tasks and schedule events seamlessly. We'll start with setting up the connection from Google Calendar to Notion, ensuring that your Google Calendar is accessible within Notion for easy viewing. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once it's up, look to the left side panel under My Calendars. Here, hover over the calendar you want to sync with Notion. When you do this, you'll see three dots appear next to the calendar name. Click on those dots and select Settings and Sharing from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll want to scroll down the Settings page to find the Access Permissions for Events section. This is important. You need to make sure the calendar is publicly accessible for this integration to work properly. Enable the option that says Make Available to Public. This step is crucial because it allows Notion to display your Google Calendar, though keep in mind that this process only creates a read-only version within Notion. Continue scrolling until you reach the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you have the option to copy either the public URL or the embed code. For our purposes, both options are viable, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've copied the URL or embed code, head over to Notion and open the page where you want to embed your Google Calendar. When you're on that page, type full embed in a new block. This command will bring up an option to paste the link you copied. Alternatively, you can directly paste the URL on the Notion page, and when prompted, select Create Embed. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated your Google Calendar into Notion. This means you can view your schedule directly within Notion, keeping all your important information in one place. However, do note that this integration, as set up right now, is read only. You won't be able to edit your Google Calendar events within Notion itself. It's designed to be a convenient way to view your schedule alongside other Notion content rather than to manipulate it. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can keep your Notion workspace organized and visually streamlined by adding your Google Calendar.